Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you need a really tasty little snack to get you through the day? Well, I want to show you this Nature Valley wafer bar. So this bar is crispy and creamy, just as it says. And this is the peanut butter and chocolate flavor. And oh my goodness, it's so good. So it has a nice amount of crispy crunchiness to it, but it is very creamy. That peanut butter is very prominent, and it has a really delicious dark chocolate to it as well. So this is like those little wafer cookies that you had when you were a kid, but this is a much better version. So I absolutely love these because they are the perfect little treat that I can keep in my bag for when I'm on the run and I need to have something to give me a little bit of energy boost. I absolutely love these. Super tasty flavor, lots of peanut butter, a nice amount of chocolate so you feel like you're having quite the little treat. And I would definitely recommend this to anyone who loves chocolate and peanut butter in a crispy little bite. And that's my point of view.